Twix. How you do this?
Yo, what's good? Bro, look at my sombrero all chueco. Don't mind my pimples. But today is Sunday. I'm gonna be with my little sister.
Sunday Funday.
Like she said, Sunday Funday. Look at my sombrero, bro. It's crooked. Anyways, Sunday Funday. We're gonna be with my little sister, my girl, her little sister, my brother, and the one and only famous Mason the Malayson. He's going with us. We're going to a car meet at the beach, and we're only going because, I mean, my car is not special and all, but I like my car. Nonetheless, we're only going because we've been wanting to go to the beach, and because one of my brother's friends, like, he has a little car group that me and my brother are trying to get into, just because it's my brother knows them and whatever. So we're trying to go do that. This is my little intro to the car vlog. We washed our cars earlier. I didn't vlog it. I drank. I got a little I wouldn't say drunk, but I did drink, so I just forgot to vlog. But yeah, so my car is clean. It's clean from the outside, not the inside, so don't motherfucking judge. But I don't think anybody's gonna look at the inside. But if they do, pass me my strap. If they do, locked and loaded. Wait, I think it died. Locked and loaded. Yeah, we're just waiting for my girl, and we're waiting for my brother. He's gonna meet us here at my girl's pad, and we're out of here. So stay tuned. We're gonna be in Long Beach, I believe. So all my Long Beach people, check in, you know what it do. We're gonna have, I don't know what they're gonna have, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but I know I'm gonna have a good time because I'll see some cars if there's a lot of cars. And yeah, what do you gotta say? What do you gotta say? It's on. What do you gotta say?
Oh, what the? I don't know. Nothing?
Nothing? Alright, well, she gotta say nothing. Somebody's already texting me, so we'll head out. See you guys there. We done pulled up to the meet. We pulled up. We're right here in Long Beach. We're at Firulais. My girl. We're with my girl right here.
Why did you pull?
My brother, my sister. Wait, no, that's Lisbeth. That's my brother's girlfriend, famous Mason, and my sister. We're right here at the beach. We pulled up with, right, it's my brother's car. We pulled up with this guy, and then my car over there. I think we're gonna go to the other side because that's where everybody's at, but it was just too packed for us to go over there. But these are like some cars that are here right now. Mason, come. Got some cars. Nobody's revving it right now, though. We gotta wait.
Yeah.
At that queue over there. taking off. There's a Corvette. What is that? An Integra, no? Then we have, I think everybody's leaving already. The cops have it blocked off over there and shit. It's pretty cool.